Hi. It's a question of CAT 2022, slot 2 again. Now, what's given here? A quadratic expression. Fx be a quadratic polynomial in x such that f of x is greater than or equal to 0. Now, what does it mean? Your graph will be above the x-axis or it will touch the x-axis. It will never go below the x-axis because f of x is always greater than or equal to what? 0. Fine. Let's try to plot the graph here. This can be a graph here. Now, f of x is always greater than or equal to 0. That means it will lie above the x-axis. And you also know that f of 2 is equal to 0. That means one of the roots of that quadratic polynomial would be what? 2. It will reach the x-axis exactly at which point? I can say 2. And you always get a symmetric parabola here. So this point would be 2 comma 0. Yes or no? Because at f of 2, the whole value of the graph becomes 0. That means y coordinate will become 0. This would be a graph and it would be symmetric. Fine. Now, what else is given? So, can you write the equation of this graph? We know that it's a parabola, and when you put x equal to 2, the answer becomes 0. So, can we say my graph would be, equation would be f of x is equal to x minus 2 whole square? Now, look at this. When you put x equal to 2 here, 2 minus 2 becomes 0, and 0 scores is 0. But I'll have to assume a variable here. That is a constant. Sorry, a constant k, because it will work for any value of k also. K can be 1, 2, 3, 4, anything. Now, this should be the equation, but we don't know the value of k here. You know that f of 2 is equal to 0. That means the moment you put x equal to 2 here, this whole expression will become 0. Fine. What else is given? F of 4 is equal to 6. So let's put x equal to 4 here. Now, f of 4 is equal to k into now 4 minus 2 whole square. This should be the answer according to me, but this is given equal to 6. So I'll equate it with 6. What do we get here? K into 4 minus 2 is what? 2. 2 square is 4. So what's the value of k here? It's 6 by 4. 6 by 4, that means I got the value of k here, 3 by 2. Now, the complete expression becomes what? F of x is equal to k, which is 3 by 2 into x minus 2 whole square. You can find any value here. You can find the value of fx for any input. What's the input now? Minus 2. So let's put x equal to minus 2 here. So minus 2 whole square. This is minus 4. Minus 4 whole square will be how much? 16. I'll put 16 here. This 2 will cancel it out 8 times. So 8 into 3 gives you what? 24. So the correct answer should be first option. That is 24. Thank you.